Welcome everyone to the first major update on a feature getting added to MathJot. This is the new PDF sketch feature. You'll see off the left hand side there is a little icon with a pencil on it. You click on it and now you've got this new sketch feature that allows you to either import PDFs where you can scale off them or even sketch up your own details. So for example, I'm going to sketch up a clip plate, which is quite common. So it's a fin plate with a plate on one side with a fin coming off it and two holes. And you see, I'll click on the rectangle and we can open up the rectangle and shape it up however we want. So change the colors of the outer stroke, also change the inner fill. So making it a light gray because it is a fin plate. This time I'll just be reshaping it, showing you what you can actually do with the grip boxes. We'll get a circle, we'll generate the circle out because we do want to change it as white because it will be a hole through the plate because we are doing a fin plate with two holes in it. Now if we go through, we can actually make a duplicate just by pressing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. And again, we deleted the other hole because we had too many. Now what can we actually do with this feature? It's more than just a sketching feature. We can actually put a dimension pull on it. So that means it now has a scale for where we can dimension between the holes. This now can be then pulled into MathJot. So now we've got 73 from center to center. Hit save. We see there we've got dim1 as a function. Now we could actually change that dim to a different number. But you can see that it will actually be a function that we can use. We can actually interact with it. So it means that have different functions or scale points. Another feature is the eye feature at the bottom there, which means that you can just set your view window. And now you can see instead of getting the gray bars, we now have a great view of the sketch that we did earlier. If we want to add another dimension in, we can. This time it's red because of the stroke feature down at the bottom. I want to change it back to black, just moving it out of the box so we don't have the overlapping text. Now we are working to improve some of these visualizations as we go through. You see we've got dim1 and dim2. And now I'll just draw a box line to try and give us a little bit of better reference of where we're actually dimensioning off, to make it a little bit clearer. Obviously this is just a quick tutorial about what you can do, but obviously you can do your own, making into better pictures. Now let's just do the same top and bottom to scale up how deep the actual clip plate is. This means I can find different components in the system. We increase the view box so that we can view everything in there. Hit save, we go back and you see it's dynamically updated. And we want to work out the space in between. Now in this case, and then we also want to find the distance between the bolts. Now we can find the overall depth of the clip plate plus the depth between. And again, because they are dynamic, look, we can rescale it again. So we go back to the 200, we put the millimeters in, we hit save, and the units follow through nicely.